My name is Randy, and our company name is Masterful Carpet Cleaning. And it's pretty much me and my dad running owner operator right now. We've been in business for, we bought our truck mount the end of January, so about 7 months now, going on 7 months. Pretty much just by word of mouth or old employers that we were working with. Friends and family, some, but it wasn't too much. So it was a little hard to get work. Not too many. We weren't doing too good. I would say maybe about 10 jobs if we were lucky a
Okay.
month. It's changed a lot. I mean, we've gotten, I want to say anywhere from like 12 to 15 jobs a week. So we've been busy Monday through Saturday. Most of the time we're trying to keep it down now to just Monday through Friday. That way we at least rest on weekends.
Okay.
But there have been weeks where we work 7 days a week. So we've been really busy.
Okay.
We've been able to raise enough money to buy the second van, and we just getting our second motor installed into our second truck mount. So we should have that back in a couple of days. So we're gonna start running two vans. 4 times or more. Yeah, I would say 4 to 5 times a month more.
Okay. Okay.
So we've gotten a lot of we get a lot of leads. Not all of them book do it, but I mean we do get a big majority of them that do book. It's been working very well. I would say go for it. I mean we were sort of skeptical and scared about it at the beginning, just because we thought it would be a waste of money, honestly. And I mean we just went at it, and I know we tried it out for a week. You
Yes.
helped us with that, and we started doing monthly with it because it just works so good. So working really good still. The highest ticket, I would say like 600, 650, almost 700.
Okay.
We've gotten quite a few good customers with like big houses. So it's not like they they're pretty much asking information through the ad, but it's not, the ad is only for like the 3 rooms, but they just we just get there, and it could be like huge houses that they're having us do.
Mhm.
So with just the ads,
Yes, with just the ads.
I want to say like, I don't know honestly right now, because we've been mixing here and there, but I want to say like 2,500, maybe 25 to like,
Okay.
yeah, about 2,500 average a
Okay.
week.